Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lope, and in this video I'll be showing you how to make the cage bead bag. So you can have it in different colors like this, or you can have it in a plain color. So let's get right into the video. In this video we are going to need the plastic bead. In my local markets we call it tom-tom bead, so I don't know how you can identify it. You're going to need the plastic bead, you're going to need your 0.70 fishing line, and you're going to need your scissors. So first you want to cut your fishing line. We'll start with the just like the matting method. So we want to start with 3 beads, 1, 2, and 3, and you want to cross it with the last one. We go again, 1, 2, 3, and once cross it with the last one. So we are going to form a square using these beads, and that will be the base of the bead. It will be the base of the bag. So let's continue. One, 2, 3. Then we'll cross it. So put it in the next bead and we'll cross it just like we do with the matting method. So we have 1, 2 left. For us to finish the cycle we have to have 4. So we have a square. We are going for a larger square, so we want to build round like this. So we have a 3 by 3 square. This is 2 by 2 square. So we have a 3 by 3 square. So let's continue. So all I'm doing is I'm putting my fishing line in the next bead, and so let's continue. And you cross it. So we have a 3 by 3 base for the bag. So from there we will start building up the bag. We'll start with 3 beads, 2, 3, and then cross it. We'll now go to the next bead. One, two, then we cross it. Just make sure that you want to keep making sure that your bag is tight. The fishing line is tight. So my fishing line has finished. I want to continue, but I have to tie this first. So as usual, we tie. And then we want to pass the fishing line back into the bead so that we can hide the knot. So like that, you want to continue. Cut your fishing line. Remember that we are using 0.17 fishing line. So you want to put it where you stopped. So that's how we'll continue the bead bag. Just like the way we do the matting, we'll continue beading it around the base. As you're working, make sure your project is firm. Let me know if you have any question. So we want to close up the first layer. I have just one bead to complete the cycle. So we'll start again. For the second layer, we'll go 1, 2, 3, and then we'll cross it with the last one. Continue again. So we'll continue. That's how we'll continue the process. So I've just finished with the third layer of the bag. So we are going to go ahead and put our last bead before we go ahead with the handle. So you want to cross your bead with the last bead on the row. Then you pass your fishing line through the beads, and then we will cross it on top again to bring it to the middle so that we can fix our handle. So now that we've secured it, we want to go ahead and take 2 beads, 1, 2 on each fishing line end, and then you put your ends together and then pass more beads. You're going to pass 7 more. You can make it more as you want. Three. I'm going to be using 7, 4, 5, 6, 7. So then put 2, 1, and then 2 on each of the fishing line. Then you now want to cross it on the other side of the bag. Let me know if you have any question in the comment section. So after you've crossed it and we have the handle, we want to secure this fishing line so that it doesn't lose. So we have to pass it through the beads. Also put a knot so that I am sure that it is secure. Put the knot inside the bead so that it's not visible. Then keep passing your fishing line with inside the bead until you have no fishing line left. So when you're done, you want to use your snap scissors to cut it, and you go back and follow the same process again. Follow the same process. Until you have no fishing line left. So with the remaining fishing line that we've joined, we'll go ahead and also secure it in the beads. This is just double assurance that your bead bag is sturdy. So we'll continue pressing it round the back. We are securing the fishing line as well as making our bag more sturdy. I'm going to follow the same process. So we have our cage bead bag.
You can also weave the long side of the bag, then mat the sides. I feel this technique is faster and it is more sturdier. You can be assured that your bag is very firm.
So I've just finished the drawstring for the bag. You can decide to make different colors and work it with different outfits. And you can also throw in a purse or any satin color of your choice. So if you enjoyed this video, kindly give it a thumbs up and kindly subscribe if you haven't. I have loads of videos for you. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.